Astrologically speaking, April 3rd, 4th, and 5th are very important days. The Sun transits the center of the sign of Aries, which is truly symbolic and significant for traditions around the world. Of the entire zodiac, Aries represents the greatest power. As expected, major earthquakes have occurred with the Sun in these degrees. On April 3, 1983, a 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck Costa Rica. In 1893, a powerful 7.3 magnitude earthquake shook Hawaii. More recently, in 2024, a devastating 7.4 magnitude earthquake hit Taiwan on this date, causing widespread destruction and landslides. This upcoming April 3rd will mark exactly 1 year since this event. April 4th is quite intriguing, as the date repeats the number 4. Notably, a destructive 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck India in 1905. Astrologically, 1905 was a year of the snake, just like 2025. This earthquake, which occurred 120 years ago, resulted in 19,000 casualties, making it one of the strongest earthquakes in India's history. Additionally, on April 4, 2010, the Sierra El Mayor earthquake, also known as the Baja California earthquake, took place. With a magnitude of 7.2, it struck Baja California on Sunday, April 4, 2010. On April 5, a 5.2 magnitude earthquake hit Peru in 1986. It is worth noting that Peru is overdue for a major seismic event that should have already occurred but seems to be delayed. Furthermore, in a rare event in New Jersey in 2024, a 4.8 magnitude earthquake struck the city.